Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Epic Game Store and Fortnite on your iOS device. For that, make sure your iOS device is running on minimum iOS 17.6. Okay. After checking the iOS version, open your browser. I'm going to use Safari. After opening your browser, search Epic Game Launcher. Enter in the website. Okay, after entering the website, you will see install on iPhone or iPad. Choose that option. After choosing that option, press install, press OK. Go to the settings. You will see allow app from Epic Game Launcher notification will appear. Allow that. Come back again to the website and press install, and your installation process will begin. Okay, so after installing, enter the store. Then on the top you will find Fortnite. Just simply install it. I'm going to show you the installation process. This way you can install Epic Game Store and Fortnite on your iOS device, and you can play them very easily. So after entering to the game, you have to download around 13 GB. After completing the download, you can play the game easily. So thank you for watching the video.